point out this small access ramp here that comes from this car park area, which is fantastic, into the building. And I want to point out this ramp. First of all, it's very shallow, and they've decided to put integrated TGSIs here. These are the stainless steel type, so these they're one unit, that's what I'm trying to say. They're all one unit. But I'd like to point out that in this particular installation, these TGSIs are actually the hazard themselves. And what I mean by that, let's just get down for a second. Can you see over here? Actually, this is probably a better idea. Can you see how here is where the ramp's going up to the brick line? See how it's increasing? But here it's just flat, look. So there it's flat, and there it starts to go up. So these TGSIs, they're actually right at the start of the hazard, which is here. So the hazard is the ramp. TGSIs are supposed to be 300 millimeters back from here, which is this distance, to a depth of 600 millimeters. But here, these TGSIs are literally right at the start of the hazard, right here. So they're non-conforming, and there's insufficient amount. But the biggest problem is that what happens here is the inconsistency of TGSIs being installed like this with Australian standards is that a blind or vision impaired person is expecting that there is another foot, or that's why we have 300 millimeters back, it's about a foot's distance, before the ramp actually would start. But the ramp is starting right here. So that can cause tripping, and also cause falls, but it's unsafe. And whilst the intention here is to do well and to provide really great access and to use high quality products like these stainless steel TGSIs, because it's not installed correctly with the right distances and the right layout to what's required in the standard, it makes this installation unfit for purpose, and it makes it dangerous. And that's really unfortunate, because it is good work. The intentions have been great, but on execution, this just doesn't work.